this day with DS Diving, November 2nd, 22. We're at the vessel Footloose. We'll take a look before I clean her up. Video. A couple things I showed you was removing the bulk fouling using the scraper. Of course, we'll be padding all that, and also what we do with the zincs. The zincs do burn and they ash over. Once they've ashed over, they stop doing their job. Part of our job is to knock off that ash so they can do the job. Also, you saw that zinc was loose on the shaft. Fortunately, I do have a have this in my pocket, so I am going to tighten that shaft zinc first, and then we'll get you an after video.